anyway, and apparently never posted on Twitter or Tyler Roko Henisa anyway because we represent South Africa, we represent like load shedding, we represent and I was just like, but can also experience load shedding in Yagabar? But it's Buju life of sign, but bitch on the blog, begging on FFP like I never lived. And I'm always better when I come back. Guys, I'm not okay. I'm super broke. I'm so broke. I'm a SEMA today. I'm a SEMA. But at least like I get a McDonald's. So now I actually wanted to tell you guys what my budget is for this whole month, for the rest of the month. We have at least 3 weeks left. 1, 2, 3. Can you take 3? So I literally have 720 rands left in my account, and we have 3 weeks left to this month, and I've cancelled all my bookings for this month. I can't explain why, but you understand soon why. You know me, Mus. I'm very smart. So okay, since I get 720. Okay, maybe 700. Kita berkata 20 rand for petrol. Wait till you go garage mall or sell petrol. If you choose the correct garages, I will tell the full thing. So yeah, guys, I have to order online. I haven't actually been going out to even shop or do grocery because I suffer with so much anxiety. So I was just like, let me order online. Guys, I'm gonna order online. The first thing is I have a dog, right? But she'll eat whatever I eat. Itla jadi carrots, itla jaburoto, like this guy. I'm a fat man. I don't like answering to fat men. Let's hear. Hey.
Baby.
What's up? So I'm just finishing with my submissions, like it's just so hard, but I'm trying to do this. So yeah, it's just hectic. But I can send you like my old pictures that I usually take from my.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Sign Boji are dragging Osima on her vlog. Sign Boji, she's also a YouTuber. So fage vlog dragger Osima. Sima and Sign were once best friends, or they were friends, close friends. Bahamba boy to Guma gig, always sing together. They were together, Guma vlogs, Bendama Sipo Spiel. They were just like, friends, man. Friendship was a solid one. Until things went wrong, Sana la Usain started feeling good to see is trying to take a sports sakhe la hamba khona kumagig usimo ufuna kubuke yena. So that's how their friendship ended, and their friendship ended really badly because they were exposing each other, revealing each other's dirty laundry. Ngiyakutshela wena nje lo wa reveal ama secret yabona guys lensaba yokuthi nibe nebangani bema fake mase friendship ingahambi kahle sekufuna nalo khephe indzaba talo nalo khephe indzaba talo na yo badrekana. Ngiyakutshela wena baze bathembisana zero nalwazi into ukutrapa into lento ukutrapa yona. So now ku vlog udraga usima ukuthi yena she's broke like Usima hebana, because yena umathi vele ukuthi Usima ngalesikhathi vele babangani vele bekahleza umuntu la broke, bathi nje Usima nje ku account yakhe kana happy kahlala mbhadalela ngisho nasema restaurants. So yamdreka ukuthi broke like Usima. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.